Good morning and welcome to our special Remembrance Day Assembly. Every year at Lee Forest and across the country, people unite to make sure that nobody is forgotten and we remember those people that made the ultimate sacrifice during World War One, World War Two and the many conflicts that have taken place across the world since this time. It's an opportunity for people to reflect upon the sacrifices that those people made to ensure that the world was a more peaceful place to live. Some of you might have seen on television at the weekend, at 11 o'clock on Sunday, there was a 2-minute silence. This silence also takes place on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month every year. This year, although slightly different for everybody with coronavirus, people are still taking the time to pay their respects, and at Lee Forest, as we always do, we'll be joining in with that too. Teaching Remembrance helps us to have an understanding of how Britain was created and how the world in which we live in now was affected by the world wars and the many wars of the past. This morning we'll be hearing from some Year 6 children and then we'll be handing over to Mr. Hall, who will lead us in a 2-minute silence. Following this, we'll then see some of the wonderful artwork that I know you've all worked really hard to create, and Mr. Croxon has produced a wonderful video to showcase this. Please now join us in listening to the Year 6 children and Mr. Hall in leading our 2-minute silence.
In Flanders fields the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands with the throw, the torch be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep though poppies grow in Flanders fields. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.